you guys, good afternoon. It's Jane. How are you all doing? Today's the day. It's November 1st. I can't believe it's already November, but I'm going to show you guys the November. This is going to be shipping in November, which is this month. It's going to be shipping on the 8th. The box reveal for the Merry Makers Ornaments of the Month Club or subscription box. So, with no further ado, and I'm actually going to show you this time what we're going to be making, what the ornament, the finished ornament looks like. And of course, there's a lot of variations available depending on your own creativity, and I know you guys have loads of that. If you're interested in joining the Merry Makers Ornament of the Month subscription box, just go to surfaceanthology.com and click on Merry Makers, and you can join us. Next month is going to be a tree topper. So of course you get your little thank you card from me with all the little tasks that you could do if you'd like to be entered into a raffle to receive an extra DIY product in your box. And then let's open this up. I'm gonna move this over. So first thing I have here are 3 wooden shapes. They're in a tag shape. So you're going to be getting those, and these are solid wood and they're really nice and big. Of course, you're going to be getting, for any of you that have been a Merry Maker for a while, you know I always give you guys, if we're gluing, a little palette to put your glue on, and wax paper. And also you get a little cookie recipe from me. So there's those. You're gonna get a brush, and this month is a little bit bigger because we're gonna be doing something really specific with the paint. You're gonna be getting this really beautiful, bring this up, ribbon. Now I forgot what this is called, but there's a specific name for this ribbon, and I love it because it looks really vintage. It's not vintage, but it looks vintage, and actually they've been making it for probably over 100 years like this, but it's really beautiful in this kind of icy blue. And you're going to be getting a selection of little jingle bells in different shapes and sizes and little wires to put those on with. You're going to be getting some paint, and you're going to be getting a couple of colors. So this is a 1/2 ounce of the accent paint. You're going to be getting, of course, glitter. And this is German glass glitter, but I also mixed it with some mica in here because I wanted a specific kind of look to it. And it comes in this glass vial. This is 1 ounce of glitter. And Aleene's Tacky Glue, my fave. And then you're going to be getting, this is close to 1 pound of Iron Orchid air dry clay. So when you're done making these 3 ornaments, you've got enough supplies to make more ornaments. So you're going to be getting that, and this stuff is fabulous. And you're going to get the brand spanking new Iron Orchid Cameos mold. So how cool is that? So I'm going to show you at the end of this live what the ornaments look like that I made. I chose a specific cameo. You can do any of these shapes for your ornaments, and they are really, really beautiful. You're going to get some silver metallic paint, and you're going to get some white paint. All right, I think that's set. So now let me show you guys what we're going to be making. So here are the ornaments. And I gotta tell you, I had a blast with these. So I chose for my 3, I have the clock here with the little birds. I hope you could see that glitter. It's beautiful. But we're going to be doing a technique with the chalk paint. You're getting 2 colors of chalk paint to kind of make this cloud effect, and it really works with these ornaments, with these molds. And of course I had to use this beautiful woman but isn't that gorgeous? And there's the silver metallic paint here. On this ornament I put more glitter to show you guys what that looks like, and this one has a little bit less. But I just think they're absolutely gorgeous, and Iron Orchid always does an amazing job. I had a ball, and as you see, you're going to be getting a full size of the clay and this really beautiful silicone mold. So you're going to be able to make a lot of things that go beyond the ornament for this month. So that's it, you guys. Any questions, ask in the comments. If you'd like to become a Merry Maker, and it is a subscription box for the entire year. So every single month you get a kit like this. We do all different kinds of techniques. Sometimes I'm able to put vintage items in. Oh, I wanted to show you this. Here's one made in case you want to use a different color paint. I used a kind of, I don't know, it's like an amethyst color paint for that, but you can really go crazy with these. But every single month of the year, you get all the supplies you need to make ornaments for that month. And they're wonderful to keep. They're really wonderful to give. Who doesn't love to receive a handmade ornament? So that's it, you guys. Any questions at all, ask me in the comments. Go to surfaceanthology.com and click on Merry Makers if you'd like to join the subscription box. All right, I'll see you next time.